start again. It's a rich thing.
Problem, sir? Look at me. Nothing bad. Yeah, that is out.
This?
This side's out, yeah.
Oh, yes, it's out! Wow, look at that exhaust.
Yeah.
Wow.
That looks like a screw exhaust, that man. So what were you saying?
I was saying, where's the caliper for this one?
On the light away. Where's the caliper for this?
Yeah.
They're not calipers, they're called drums.
The drum brakes.
Drum brakes.
These are the worst brakes you can get in your life.
The best brakes you can get in your life.
These are the olden day cars.
Olden day cars, yeah. Yes, sir.
2007, this is.
Yeah, that's olden day photos, isn't it?
Don't file that.
You need to stand far back.
Yeah, fuck.
No, what's up?
What do you think of it? What do you think of it, mate?
It's absolutely brilliant, mashallah. Love the outcome.
What do you think, sir?
Very good.
So that's the Corsa Vxr project done. Stay tuned because at the end of this clip I'm going to show you what it looked like before and after. But as you can see, just small little modifications can make the car look so much better from what it was to what it's transformed to now. So we thought we'll share this. Come a long way, the youths have learned so much. Even we've all got together, managed to finish this off pretty quick. We put the wheels, front bumper, back bumper, even the spoiler. As you know, most Corsa VXRs are 3 doors, but we made our own 5-door VXR, obviously, probably, so it's better for everyday life. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned because we've got a lot more coming.